How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Gamesir Cyclone 2 to your computer. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to actually grab the back box itself. And from there, after purchasing the product, you will get this USB right here. Now, this is specifically the 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle. This means that this is actually faster than a Bluetooth dongle. So what you want to do with this device is to just plug it directly onto the USB port of your laptop or computer. After plugging it in, it will then make a connection between the controller and the dongle and onto the computer. So all we have to do is to press the Gamesir button, enabling us to turn it on, and it will actually pair it onto our computer that easily. Now, if you don't want it to be a wireless connection, you could also use the USB connection Type C, and then once again plug it onto the USB ports, and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.